Hey guys, it's pine cones for lunch. So here I got a question for the squirrel nuts. That here, I'll try to put my hand closer there just to give you an idea how big that is. It's a pretty biggie. So, and then you look down here. There's a cob. Seen a couple other cobs around. So who cobs them down like that? I know our friends cob down well, whoops. Wow. They cob down corn like that. Sorry on my thoughts. Wow. That's that's hands. That's eating corn, guys. I'm not gonna take one of their actual meals. Get a hair on there and stuff too. Could be interesting, eh? There's more in there, so I could always come back, but there's more back there too. But I like these wet ones because they collected up something. So it doesn't look like anybody's been eating on these ones for a while. We see some poop in there from rodents, so rodents have been in there too. There's another one this style. See, it just doesn't make sense that rats or squirrels and stuff are gonna stop. These guys might stop like that because they use the rest for a seedling. There we go. Is that what that would be? You know, they'll just go plant this whole thing. And life goes on. I'll give you a shot of where it came out of. Right out of that mama right there. Peace out.